Oh shit. Yo, where did this come from? I mean, there's a motorcycle or something somewhere. Oh damn. Yeah, just now, about 60 seconds ago, I came out here because it was getting pretty dark, and yeah, I decided to run back inside to get the camera. I come outside, and out of nowhere it starts pouring. Look at this. Oh shit, man. Jeez. And by the way, it's not. Oh damn. Damn. What the fuck? Yo. Yo, that's hell. That is hell. Definitely hell. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Yeah, this is bad. Really bad. And the wind is shaking up too again. This is definitely bad. Jesus Christ. And also, it's starting to blow into the garage too. Yeah, you know, I'm closing it. If it would close, that is. There we go. Wait for this to close. Jeez. There we go. Now I can film without getting soaking wet because this shit is blowing in now. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is bad. You have to be kidding me.
900 customers without power. MLGW waiting for the storm to pass. They will get the lights back on as soon as possible. We'll keep you updated on this storm as it moves through Shelby County. And of course, the clearing.
How bad is the storm? Now there's power outages in the area. How bad is the storm? Jesus Christ. I mean, seriously. How bad is the storm going to be? This is crazy. Power outages now too. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Unbelievable. Well, let's see what the other channel's talking about. Where is it? Oh, I guess.
Tennessee needs a governor who's put their conservative values into action.
Well, I was going to see what the other channel's talking about, but it looks like they're on at 6 o'clock.
The right to life comes from God, not
whatever.
the government. But all Tennesseans who
Go away from me. Oh, look at Lulu. Oh, look, and it's gone. The rain's gone. Oh my God, how weird. Isn't that crazy? Could the sun coming back? Or maybe it's still sprinkling. I don't know.
It is.
Yeah, I guess it is, isn't it? Pouring for a second. Almost out! And it's not going to be my own.
Yeah. What happens when I try to film her every time? That happens. You know, Is it even doing anything anymore? What the hell? And of course, as soon as I sit down to play GTA, oh, what? And of course, this has to be blaring. There we go. Well, it's raining, but look at this. It's raining, but it's sunny. How does that make sense? I mean, I know that happens everywhere, but yeah, this is a pretty rare occurrence. And the bugs flew in my arm there too. Oh jeez. Yeah, it seems like it blew in here too. I mean, look at this. As you saw about 10 minutes ago, it was pouring, and now all of a sudden it's just drizzling, and yeah, it's sunny out. How does that make sense? Seriously. How the hell does that make sense? Oh, the sun just went away. I think I spoke too soon there, but I mean, look at that. Oh, great. That's just great. Things got soaked there too. Yeah, I swear the weather, sometimes it just does not make any sense at all. Jeez. Unbelievable. What you doing? Whoa. Oh, come on. Yeah, water all over the floor. And how the hell did this happen? I'm sorry, bud, but you can't go out there. Ooh, I stepped on your tail. Sorry, big boy. Wasn't looking where I was going. Sorry, big boy, I didn't mean to do that, but you cannot go out. You can't go out there, big boy. Sorry. Everything is too soaking, it's too wet, and it's not raining. What? Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. How on earth did it go from an intimidating black sky to clear sunny skies? Look at this. How did this happen in like 20 minutes? And yeah, it's still stunning, but still, I mean, look at that. Jesus Christ. This is unbelievable. Went from a dark, rainy sky to a clear, crisp, sunny sky. And once again, it's still stunning, but that's perfectly clear. No, I spilled when I said it's perfectly clear. And well, the sky, by the way, it's not gonna focus, but the sky is all over there now. Unbelievable. Okay, I do not like how that thunder is so close, to be honest. I really do not like that. Luke, stop. I'm sorry, but you can't go out. You cannot come out here. I know you want to, but you can't. It's still too wet. Sorry, bud. Well, anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I still cannot believe it went from a dark, rainy sky to this in like 10 minutes. This is unbelievable. Perfectly clear, sunny sky. Wow. Just unbelievable. Well, once again, it's still thundering, and there's still a severe thunderstorm watch in effect, but yeah, I have a feeling that severe thunderstorm watch is going to expire here pretty soon. Unreal. And right, big boy. Blue. Again, you cannot go out there, big boy. I'm sorry. I know you want to, but everything is still soaking wet. Sorry, big boy, but you need to stop. Anyways, oh, sorry about that. Well, that's it for today. What the fuck was that? What was that? Okay. I could have sworn I saw something out of the corner of my eye just now. Yo, what the? This thing's a piece of shit. And their siren is going off now too. Whatever. That's it.